Hello fellow campers, I am so excited to do this video. I decided to go to my local dollar store and purchase these time-saving, cost-effective meals, and I wanted to share them with you. Pork loin riblets. They are vacuum packed and sealed for easy storage in your freezer. A bacon wrapped steak, ribeye steak, pork loin chop, and for vegetables, the pepper stir fry, the winter blend, and for starch, some rice to go with our dish. And of course, we all need butter. And to top this off, I'm going to do the hazelnut cream cookies. You see, folks, all this under $10. After this, I'm going to go ahead and cook. I'm going to do a taste test, and I will come back and give you the results. Here we are. We finished cooking it. And we're going to go ahead and sample this out. And when we come back, we will give you the rundown. Okay, so we're back. We cooked. We ate. So what did you think?
I gotta tell you, I'm surprised. I did not expect the food to be as good as it was. Usually when you get food like that, the preconceived notion is it's going to be bland, but it really wasn't. It was full of flavor. I'm surprised. I can't believe I haven't tried that stuff before.
What was your favorite piece of meat?
Well, it was all good, and I think my best was that pork chop.
For me, I love the pork chop, love the steak, and the tenderloin. They all had flavors, and I cannot believe for $1, $1, folks.
It was really good.
Now, to top this, I just made these awesome cookies again, dollar store, and we're about to take a taste test. Wow, this is absolutely delicious.
Oh wow.
It's sweet, it's like cake-like, the hazelnut, absolutely delicious. What a way to top a meal, huh?
Yeah, really good.
Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it and eating the food, and we hope to have future videos for you as well. But for now, thank you for watching.